Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to our sign. I went to Walmart, found the Sour Punch Ghost Pepper Roulette, guys. There's a ghost in the pack. My sister and I tried him, she didn't like him. So it's a blue raz, chilling cherry, ghoulish grape, and ghost pepper. And it's medium, the heat. It's not really that hot. There's a medium. It's right there somewhere, right there. Taste to test your odds. Ghost pepper flavored straws hidden in every pack. Well, the packaging is pretty cool. My hair's all crazy. Embrace your punch. So go ahead and taste test, guys. See my reaction. And I don't even know which ones are because they're all the same color, so I don't know which one's which. Is this one? Oh yeah, it's this one. Never mind. I'm safe. I think this one's it. Yep, there's this one. Oh. I can't tell because the sourness ruins it. They're all spicy to me. I don't know. One more to go, guys. It's this one. It's this one froze. Dang, boy. I was gonna give these a good overview for these. Oh my god. It's not that bad, but the sour makes it worse. So I give these 9 out of 10, guys. Those at Walmart. Like, subscribe, comment, share more videos. Crawling to you soon. Peace out, and hope you enjoyed.